Problem number 3. A vector has a component of 15 meter in the positive x direction and a component of 15 meter in the positive y direction and a component of 10 meter in the positive z direction. What is the magnitude of this vector? For finding the magnitude of this vector, we have to frame a vector equation by using the component as well as its unit vector notation. In theory, we studied the unit vector notation for x, y, and z are I cap, j cap, and k cap. These are all the unit vector notation for this respective direction. And also, they clearly mention what should be the component of x, y, and z here. The x direction component here they mention 15 meter. For y, it's 15 meter, and for z, it's 10 meter. Now, we have to frame a vector equation by using the component value and its respective unit vector notation. So here, I'm going to give the vector name as a vector, which is equal to the component of positive x direction with its unit vector notation I cap plus the component of positive y direction, which is 15 meter, and its respective unit vector notation is j cap. Likewise, for the z direction, the component is 10 meter and its unit vector is k cap. Now, I have to find the magnitude of this a vector. So how we can find the magnitude of this a vector? We already studied in the theory. So how to find? First, we have to take a magnitude of this a vector. Now we have to take the square root. And what we have to take inside the square root? We have to squaring the component of x direction. So what's the component of x direction here? It's 15 meters square plus the square of the component of y direction. Its value here is 15 meters square. Likewise, we have to do the same thing for a z direction component. So we have to square this, the component of the z direction, which is 10 meter whole square. Now we have to calculate. So we just do step by step. So first we have to find the square of 15. So the square of 15 here is 225 meter square plus 225 meter square plus 100 meter square, right? Now add all these number. So 225 plus 225 plus 100, we got 550. So 550 meter square, and these numbers are inside the square root. Now we have to take the square root for this number as well as the unit. So for unit, meter square root is meter, and then 550 square root value is 550 square root value here I got as 24.45. 24.45. So we just round up to these to one digit. So I can write this number as 24.5 meter. So this is the magnitude of this a vector. Thank you.